welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on fundamental rights. Fundamental rights are basic rights that every citizen of a country has. In India, the Constitution provides us with these important rights. There are six main fundamental rights in India. The right to equality means everyone is treated the same. The right to freedom allows us to speak and express our thoughts freely. The right against exploitation protects children from child labor. The right to education gives every child the chance to go to school. The right to freedom of religion means we can follow any religion. The right to constitutional remedies helps us go to court if our rights are taken away. These rights help us live freely and happily in our country. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.